video I'm showing you how to make chocolate brownie with marshmallows and Biscoff cookie butter. Talk about a crowd pleaser. And of course, here's me trying some. I'll leave the ingredient amounts in the comments. Talk about easy to make. These are the ingredients you'll need: butter, chocolate, cocoa powder, Biscoff, 3 eggs, plain flour, biscuits of your choice, marshmallows, sugar and brown sugar. Preheat your oven 180 degrees and you're going to cook for an hour. Add the ingredients into a bowl. Chop up your marshmallows, add your sugar, both sugars, add 180 grams, half, dark and milk, chop it up. Then you're going to add that to the mixture. Then you're going to melt your butter, 180 grams of butter and 3 eggs, and you're going to whisk that. And you're going to add some vanilla essence to that as well. Pour that in. Once it's all ready, you're going to pour everything into the bowl and give it a good old mix. Then you're going to line a dish suitable for your brownies to bake in. Once you give it a little mix, add the egg and the melted butter. Then you're going to mix that together. Once all mixed together, then you're going to put in your lined tray. To decorate, I've got some Biscoff swirling through the top, all swirled through. You need 2 big tablespoons to swirl through like that. Bake it for 1 hour. There you go. Decorate with Biscoff and cookies. Enjoy!